Are you tired of relying on the power grid? Want to ensure a constant and reliable power supply, even when other sources fail? In this video, we will show you how to build the ultimate off-grid generator. With this simple and cost-effective solution, you can have power no matter where you are or what the circumstances may be. Before we start constructing our off-grid generator, it's crucial to choose the right components. In this scene, we will explore the various options for generators, batteries, and inverters. We'll discuss the power requirements you need, the best brands to consider, and the key features to look for in each component. By making informed choices, you can ensure maximum efficiency and longevity for your off-grid generator. Now that we have our components ready, it's time to set up our off-grid generator. In this scene, we will guide you step by step through the installation process. We will demonstrate how to connect the generator, batteries, and inverters in a safe and efficient manner. Additionally, we'll provide useful tips and tricks to optimize the performance of your system, including proper ventilation and maintenance techniques. With the system set up, it's essential to test and troubleshoot to ensure everything is working correctly. In this scene, we will show you how to perform various tests to verify the functionality of your off-grid generator. We'll also address common issues that may arise during the testing process and provide effective troubleshooting techniques. By following these steps, you can guarantee the reliability and efficiency of your off-grid power source. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional off-grid generator. But what if you want to expand your system to power more appliances or accommodate higher power demands? In this final scene, we will discuss how to scale up your off-grid system. We will cover topics such as adding additional batteries, incorporating renewable energy sources, and implementing advanced power management systems. By expanding your off-grid system, you can enjoy even greater energy independence and resilience. Building the ultimate off-grid generator doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With the right components, proper setup, thorough testing, and the possibility of expansion, you can create a reliable and sustainable power solution. Now, it's time for you to take control of your energy needs and embrace the freedom of off-grid living.